Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Thetford cooker, and in particular the cooker knob controls. Ours keep falling off, and they have done for the last 5 years, and I'll be honest with you, I'm very fed up of replacing them. It's a poor design and it's quite frankly the rubbish. They're cheaply made, even though they cost £14 a minimum to purchase each. So what I've done is I've gone on the internet, had a look around, and I've come up with some alternatives which I'm going to show you. But firstly, let me explain why these things keep falling off and why they're such a bad design. So these are the original cooker knobs, and if you can see just there, you can see a line, and basically what that is a little piece of metal, and it's this spring here, and that fits inside here. And basically what happens is every so often one falls off, and either Juliet doesn't notice that the spring's dropped out, or it just gets lost or misplaced somewhere, and basically it's then knackered. You can't use this anymore. It won't work. It's too big and it won't hold on and it won't do its job. So that is the problem. Coupled with the fact that I think this is a bad design is, like I said before, they're 14 quid a piece these, and to be really honest, they're rubbish. They're not very good at all. So these are my alternatives, and I have 2 packs, and they come in packs of 4. Now, I bought these from Spares to Go. I don't have any association or affiliation with Spares to Go, but the reason why I chose them is because they seem to have quite a lot in stock. And they come in packs of 4 like this, and I needed 2 packs because altogether I have 5 cooker knobs and I'll have 3 spare. Now, what I do like about it is they are universal and they cater for different depths of cooker, sort of brass spindle if you will, which is what the knob attaches to. Now that brass spindle varies in depth. For ours we're going to choose the smaller ones here, and these cooker knobs, and simply how they fit is this. This fits onto the brass spindle like so, and then that clips on there like so, and it doesn't move, and the knurl turning on that matches with the inside of here as well. So that's what I've got. Now what I've noticed with my particular Caravan is the brass spindles seem to be a little bit thicker than normal. So what I'm going to have to do is take a file and just file the flat spot down a little bit just to get them to fit properly. So I'm going to do that off camera now, and then I'll show you how I'd fit them. Now, to put it into some sort of scale, I've put my keys next to the file I used. It's only a small file, and I used that just to fettle the hole a little bit bigger than it was, because the cooker is non-standard, as everything is on most Caravans. Nothing standard, because they want you to buy their unique products. So it was a minute a piece to do the fettling, and they fit perfectly now. I'll show you. So I hope the camera is focusing, but what I've done is I've took my file and I've just filed the hole slightly bigger, and now they're ready to fit. So I did trial them. I've fitted the other ones already, but I thought I'd show you on this one how you do it, and it's very simple. Flat edge goes to the flat edge of the brass there, and you push it on like so. Then you take your cover, which is the knob, line it up with the top button best you can, like so, and that's it. It's that simple to fit, and a lot cheaper. So there they are fitted, and I'm really pleased with them. They function just as good as the other ones, if not slightly better. Yes, they're not matching to the Caravan, as in they're exactly the same. However, I do think that they match the actual cooker overall, and they do the job, and that's what we want them to do, and not fall off. And for £8.96, I think it's a bargain. Well folks, that's all 5 cooker knobs now fully functioning on the cooker, and I'm really pleased. Now, okay, they're not like the originals, but they're very similar, and they're going to do the job, and I think they actually match with our cooker and make it look quite good actually. Now, there are other alternative shapes and sizes on the market depending on what type of cooker you've got. Now, I think this is great for the likes of me, who doesn't want to spend £14 per cooker knob, and rather spend £8.96 including P&P on 8 in total when I only need 5. I'm happy with that. and I'm sure you would be too. Plus, if you've bought a new to you Caravan and one of the cooker knobs is missing, then perhaps you might want to invest in some of these to make it all match, because probably the previous owner probably didn't want to lay out 14 quid for a cooker knob like everybody else. So yeah, so I think this is a great alternative, very cheap at £8.96 against £14, and I'm really happy with it. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again real soon. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please subscribe to the channel by clicking down below, and also hit the bell notification to let you know when we've got a new up and coming video coming out. But in the meantime, bye for now.